Selective weed control. Weed science is one of the few agricultural disciplines where the focus is on killing plants. This involves not just weeds, but can be any plant, including most crops, depending upon the situation. A weed can be any plant that's growing where or when it's unwanted. Alfalfa that comes up in lettuce is a weed, or conversely, lettuce that comes up in alfalfa is a weed. The challenge is to selectively control or kill all plants except the one that you want to grow. Weeds can be selectively controlled with herbicides, mechanical or biological means. Using herbicides is commonly the most effective and efficient method. Selectivity with herbicides is relative and often dependent upon how the herbicide is used. Herbicides need to be in the right place at the right time, at the right concentration, or they can either be ineffective or injure the crop. The concentrations at which a herbicide will kill weeds and not hurt the crop are sometimes difficult to establish. There are many interrelated variables that can affect this. We are currently working on a project to determine the levels of the 3 pre-emergent herbicides used in lettuce that will cause crop injury. We have conducted several field trials where we have applied from 1x to 8x rates of Pronamid, Benefin, and Bensulide. In some trials, we have seen no injury at the 8x rate, and in other trials, we've seen significant injury at the 1x rate of these same herbicides. Injury or the lack of it is almost always caused by stress, including weak seed, environmental conditions, pests, including insects, diseases, weeds, nematodes, and water stress and fertility stress, and many other variables. Thank you very much.